Hey, we're Dacotah Studio. I'm Tina.
I'm Shawn.
Let's talk about materials.
All right, material selection is a big part of any project, as we know. When working with clients, talking about design and incorporating the right look and feel to your deck is a crucial factor in pulling together the overall aesthetic. So material selection, color and usage, performance and function are all part of the material selection process that we really advise clients on.
When you're looking for inspiration of what style of deck you want to install in your home, we like to tell our clients to look at Instagram and Pinterest, and you can see a ton of different installations of decks all over the world. And maybe you'll see a home that kind of resembles yours, and you can really visualize what that deck would look like at your own home. So there are two materials you can use in traditional decking. You can use a natural wood material, or you could use a composite material like Trex. We love using composite materials like Trex because of the durability, the sustainability, and the low maintenance approach that it takes to your decking.
Sustainability is a big part of our practice here at Dacotah Studio, and being that we're in Los Angeles, we have a lot of clients that are sensitive to the material selection that we advise. The reason we really love working with the Trex product is that it's up to 95% recycled and reclaimed. It allows for us to utilize and check the boxes of sustainability, knowing that the material has a wonderful life ahead of it.
We love using the Trex Signature series. It really accomplishes that high-end design look of like an Ipe or a teak, but you also get the low maintenance and the durability that you wouldn't get from a natural material. They also have these other wonderful lines like the Transcend Lineage, which this is what we actually used in our own home, and we went with the color Carmel. And it has heat mitigating technology, so it stays cooler under the sun, which is really a bonus for Southern California. And there are other lines available from Trex that are budget-friendly and still give you that great low maintenance that you're looking for with your composite decking. Your deck is a large investment, so make sure you're picking the right materials. With a composite deck, you can get 25 or more years where you don't have to refinish it or replace it. So really look at those composite decking materials like Trex offers that really give you that buy once, cry once approach like we like to say here at Dacotah Studio.